In this video, I will show you how to check the drum bearings of a washing machine. I have an LG direct drive washing machine with a 5 kilogram capacity, model WD12390NDK. It's a good washing machine, but it has started having operational problems. It started jumping around. To determine why it's jumping and whether that's the cause, it's necessary to check the condition of the bearings, and you can do this without disassembling the machine. You need to turn off the washing machine and open the drum door. Next, carefully hold the main body of the washing machine with one finger, and the inner drum with another finger. Then slowly and firmly try moving it up and down several times to check for any movement. As you can see, the entire tub is wobbling. The drum has almost no play. Let's do the same from the top. Everything seems to be fine. Turn it and check for play in each position. The play is very slight, about 1 millimeter. However, to be completely and absolutely sure of the condition, you really need to spin this drum manually and see exactly how it behaves. Please rotate it slowly in any direction you like. As it turns, you can clearly hear a distinct humming noise coming from the internal bearings. This indicates that the bearing is worn out, and that's what's causing the hum. It's almost like the hum you get from a car wheel bearing when it goes bad. And to be absolutely sure that the washing machine is not jumping because of the shock absorbers, you need to remove the top cover and shake the drum a bit to make sure it doesn't bounce. Remove the top cover and check. Press sharply and throw it into the drum. See, the drum doesn't jump, but slowly returns to its place. So there can't be any problem with this. To finally check the washing machine bearings, you need to plug it in, put something heavy inside, and run it at high speed. And that will show everything. Now let's turn on the washing machine for the spin cycle and see how it works. It started rattling. And humming.
You can hear the bearing noise. In the rear part, in this car, the bearings aren't completely worn out yet. There's just a hum that started, but it's already unpleasant, so we're going to replace the bearings.